Hello, and welcome. Let's get right in. You might have heard about the power of manifestation, but did you know that in just 19 minutes, you can start attracting exactly what you desire into your life? It's not about waiting months or years to see your dreams come true, it's about aligning yourself with the energy and frequency of your desires right now. We all have desires, but what often happens is that we create barriers in our minds that prevent us from truly receiving what we want. We say we want success, love, or abundance, but deep down, we have doubts that make us feel like it's out of reach. The truth is, the world around us is a reflection of our inner state. So if we want to change our outer world, we must first change how we see ourselves and the possibilities available to us. The process of manifestation isn't as complicated as it may seem. In fact, it can be incredibly simple if you know how to tap into the right mindset. The key is to align your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs with the reality you want to experience. You might be wondering, how do I do that? Well, it all starts with understanding that your mind is a powerful tool. What you focus on grows, and the more you focus on what you desire, the more it begins to materialize in your life. To begin, find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and close your eyes. This is your time to center yourself and connect with the powerful energy of the universe. As you sit there, allow your thoughts to settle. Let go of any worries or distractions. Your mind is like a garden, and you need to clear away the weeds in order to plant the seeds of your desires. Next, bring to mind the thing you most want in your life. It could be a new job, a loving relationship, financial freedom, or anything else that speaks to you. Don't just think about it, feel it. Imagine what it would feel like to already have this thing in your life. How would it make you feel to wake up every day living your dream life? What emotions would you experience if your desire was already a reality? Allow yourself to feel that joy, excitement, and gratitude as if it has already happened. Now, let's take it one step further. Picture the specific details of what you desire. If it's a job, visualize yourself working in that dream position, interacting with colleagues, and feeling accomplished. If it's a relationship, imagine the connection you share with your partner, the love, and the deep understanding between you. The more vividly you can imagine your desire, the more real it becomes to your subconscious mind. And once it feels real to you, the universe begins to respond. During this visualization, it's important to stay focused and relaxed. This isn't a time for force or stress. Instead, just allow yourself to be present in the moment. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring your desires to fruition. It's not about how it happens or when it happens, it's about knowing, without a doubt, that it's already on its way to you. Now, let's talk about the power of belief. Your beliefs are the filter through which you perceive the world, and they shape your reality. If you believe that your desires are unattainable, you'll continue to see evidence of that in your life. But if you truly believe that what you want is already on its way to you, your actions and your mindset will shift to align with that belief. This is why it's so important to remove any doubts or negative thoughts during this process. When those thoughts pop up, acknowledge them, but don't let them control you. Gently guide your focus back to the vision of your desires. Remind yourself that you are worthy of receiving everything you want. There is no reason to hold yourself back. The world is abundant, and you have the power to attract everything you desire. It's also essential to stay in a state of gratitude throughout this process. Gratitude is one of the most powerful emotions you can feel because it opens the door to receiving. When you express gratitude for what you already have, you create space for more blessings to flow into your life. So, as you visualize your desires, also take a moment to feel gratitude for everything that is already working in your favor. Be thankful for the opportunities that are about to come, for the people who will show up in your life, and for the experiences that will unfold. One key factor in successful manifestation is consistency. It's not enough to visualize once or twice and expect your desires to manifest overnight. Manifestation is a consistent practice, much like anything else in life that requires effort and attention. Every time you focus on your desire, every time you affirm it, you're planting a seed in your subconscious mind. Over time, that seed begins to grow, taking root in your life and bringing forth results. As you continue with this practice, remember that you are not trying to control the outcome. You are simply aligning yourself with the energy of your desires. The universe has its own timing, and it will bring your desires to you in the perfect way and at the perfect time. Trust the process and let go of any attachment to how it will unfold. One of the most powerful aspects of manifestation is that it doesn't require you to struggle or fight for what you want. It's about surrendering to the flow of life and trusting that what's meant for you will come. The more you release resistance, the more you allow your desires to manifest effortlessly. Another important aspect of this process is self-awareness. As you practice manifestation, pay attention to your thoughts and emotions throughout the day. Are there moments when you feel doubtful or fearful? Do you find yourself slipping into a state of lack or scarcity? These are signs that you need to refocus and reconnect with your vision. Whenever you feel those negative emotions arise, pause for a moment and take a few deep breaths. Return to your visualization and allow yourself to feel the excitement and gratitude for your desires. This practice helps reprogram your subconscious mind, allowing you to shift your beliefs and reinforce your ability to manifest. Consistency is key when it comes to manifestation. While 19 minutes can be enough to align your energy with your desires, it's important to practice this regularly. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to stay in a state of alignment with your desires. Over time, this practice will become second nature, and you'll start to see more and more of your desires manifesting in your life. One of the most common questions people ask is, how long will it take for my desires to manifest? The truth is, it varies for each person. Some people may notice changes right away, while others may take a little longer. What matters most is your belief and your willingness to stay aligned with your desires. Keep your focus on the end result and trust that it will come when the time is right. It's also important to note that manifestation is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing practice that requires you to stay in a positive, receptive state. The more you focus on what you want, the more you send out energy into the universe that will bring it back to you. It's a law of attraction at work, like attracts like. Another aspect to keep in mind is that manifestation is not just about material things. It's about creating a life that feels fulfilling and aligned with your highest self. While you may desire a new car or a new house, you can also manifest peace, happiness, and love. When you focus on the feelings you want to experience, you begin to create a life that reflects those feelings. And, don't forget that manifestation is an act of self-love. By consciously choosing to align with your desires, you are honoring yourself and your worth. You are recognizing that you are deserving of all the good things that life has to offer. This practice helps you cultivate a deep sense of self-worth and confidence, knowing that you have the power to create the life you want. In conclusion, manifesting your desires in just 19 minutes is not about a quick fix or a magic trick. It's about aligning yourself with the energy of your desires, believing in your ability to receive them, and staying in a state of gratitude and trust. The more you practice, the more you'll begin to see the evidence of your desires showing up in your life. Stay consistent, stay focused, and know that you are worthy of everything you desire. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and share it with anyone who might benefit from this powerful message. Subscribing to this channel will keep you updated on more insights and techniques to help you manifest your desires with ease. Your support means a lot, and I can't wait to continue bringing you more content that will empower you to live the life you deserve. Take a moment to like this video if you're ready to manifest your dreams. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on valuable tips and techniques. If you're enjoying this content, please share it with a friend or family member who would also benefit from it.